Hey guys, we're down at Trickworks in North Wales today. I'm Matt Rad. This is the brand new Eastwood Tungsten Grinder that they brought down for us to give a try. We've got a Ford Maverick roll cage to be working on, and we're going to get into it and give it a shot. My favorite part about this thing right here is I can get to it in the car, grind my tungsten, get back to work. All right, we had a chance to put the new Eastwood Tungsten Grinder through its paces in the Ford Maverick over there. I was really impressed with the ease of use and how portable it was getting in and out through the roll cage. Also, the consistency of the grinds, all the tips look great, and the arc stability because of that was unmatched by other tungsten grinders or doing it on your bench grinder or that kind of thing. If you would like to pick one up, check it out at eastwood.com.